So if you want, I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see you smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight.
Hi you guys, welcome to our vlog. Guess what? It is Saturday morning, 8:30. I just got home from work. I got off super early today, which was amazing. I got home and everybody was awake. I thought they would all still be in bed. Shad is awake. He's not quite with it yet. I can tell his coffee hasn't kicked in.
No, I did get the garbage out though, because it's Saturday, garbage day.
And then the kids are both awake and they're being crafty. Carson's coloring in the Blackstone box. Keaton is drawing pictures of her whole family.
So, this is me. It's my bangs and my freckles.
Cute.
And then this is Kenadie. I drew her at school, so she looks kind of wonky.
Cute.
And then this is Mama. She's wearing her Mickey necklace and her reading glasses and her flip-flops. And then I'm trying to draw Carson in his Maui costume.
Oh, it's so good, Keaton. And Carson, are you being crafty and creative?
I got a style. I got that.
Oh, you're trying to draw your family too?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's Daddy, and then you're trying to draw you.
Shad has Logues Life on.
I didn't do it.
Oh, really? The kids wanted it on?
Yeah. Keaton did tell me, Daddy, you sucked up one of my bracelets, and I was like, wait.
She saw it on the vlog.
I was like, yeah, wait, who ratted me out? And she's like, the TV did.
But you know whose fault it actually is, because somebody's bracelet wasn't where it should be. So there you go, chickie. So we went to Carrot Top last night. You guys, oh my gosh, so funny. This is the third time we've seen him. Right there, what we paid for that yearly membership fee paid for our tickets. Just for Shad and I to go to one show. It paid for itself right there. Yeah, we got the fill-a-seat thing, so for a year, we can go to these random shows. It was hard waking up this morning. I got like 5 hours of sleep, maybe not quite. Honestly, Carrot Top is hilarious. If you're offended by anything, don't go see him. I mean, he doesn't like cross the line, I don't think, but he swears. Like just straight up, like swears a lot, but it's like one of those things where like it's like you feel like maybe you shouldn't laugh, but you can't help it. He's so funny. Even the way he says the swear words is funny. Yeah, it was a really good time. Just I'm so thankful, and we can go again. Mom and Dad, when you come, fingers crossed that Carrot Top has open shows when you guys are here, because I think you guys would like it. Okay, I did bring Shad home a double smoked bacon. This time I just took the bacon off and cooked it, left the cheese on so the cheese wouldn't go flying off in the air fryer. And then I have a bacon sausage wrap in there, and I guess him and Carson are gonna share it.
I'm almost done with Carson.
Oh, and his Maui, and he's holding Ray Ray.
And I'm gonna draw a hook in his other hand.
You're so creative.
And did you know, so he wore his Maui costume for Halloween, and he's wore his red tennis shoes.
There they are. Oh, good job, Keaton. For real, I have been laying like a sloth all day. Clearly this vlog is gonna go into the next day because we have not done anything today, except now we're going to go get dinner. Shad is working at the stadium, working the Raiders game. Raiders against the Cowboys. Who would you guys go for?
Cowboys.
Yeah, Cowboys. I sure do love Las Vegas.
I don't know.
Which, oh, Carson says the Raiders?
I don't know who the Cowboys are, but I want the Cowboys to win because the Raiders are against the Broncos.
But Carson, you want the Raiders?
Yeah.
It's Jimmy John's for dinner. Let's go pick it up. Gotta bring the garbage can in. Shad puts it out in the morning. I bring it in. Okay, we might have a little problem. I just went to start the car and I think the battery is dead. Like, stuff came on, but it's not starting. There's a, well, I don't know. That's an engine light up there. Yes, we gotta change the oil, we know that. Oh yeah, but it's like, I hope it's not like the starter. What's happening? I already ordered the food too, and I paid for it. That's not good. Okay, we're back inside. I can't cancel Jimmy John. I mean, like, if I call them, but what are they gonna do? It's already made. Like it said, it was done. So they're not gonna refund me for all of it. If Shad was here, Shad would call him. I'm not calling. All right, this is dinner now for the kids. Hot Pockets, some curly fries, chicken nuggets. I don't know what I'm gonna have. Popcorn, I had popcorn. No, I didn't have popcorn last night. We went out on our date to Carrot Top. We went to Chili's. I haven't really had anything to eat today. Dang, really wanting Jimmy John's. I just put Carson to bed. I'm so tired, but I don't want to fall asleep. Like, I love the night relaxing time by myself. It's 7:45. So yeah, I put Carson to bed and then I was going to pop some popcorn. We don't have any popcorn. Actually, no, we do have popcorn. We have this popcorn. But do I want to pop popcorn on the stovetop? Not really. I mean, it does taste good. You know that feeling when you're so tired and you're hungry, but then like nothing really sounds good, but you're hungry? I already said that. You know what sounds good still is that salad. I have not gotten anything for a salad. You know what I do have? Peaches. I think I'm gonna cut these up. They feel like they're ripe. I have a feeling they're gonna taste really good. I saw in Sprouts that they're in season, so I'm hoping these are good. Stressing a little bit because I don't know how the kids and I are gonna get to church tomorrow because Shad works. Sticky in my cabinet. Yeah, Shad works tomorrow. Planning on going to the early service tomorrow because I'm supposed to serve at our second service. And I will feel horrible if I can't, like if I have to text him and say I'm not gonna be able to make it. Anyway, cutting up these peaches. First one I cut up it seemed perfect. The second one seems a little woody, but let's try this first one. It's a perfect summer peach. I might get a little bit of hate for this, but just out of curiosity, have you or has anyone that you know used any of the weight loss medication like Mounjaro or semaglutide? I don't even know how you say it. But I've been kind of checking into it. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Somebody that I know is doing it and she not only has lost weight, but it also helped her to stop smoking. She had read that doctors were looking at it to help people with other addictions like alcohol and stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Just curious. Don't hate me, I'm just checking into it. If I do it, you'll know, right? Because you'll see me lose weight. Got the peaches cut up here. I'm gonna just stick them in the fridge for a little bit. They're really good. And then I'm gonna turn on my show. I'm watching is it Presumed Innocent? I think it's Presumed Innocent on Apple TV with Jake Gyllenhaal. It's really good. Look who's here. Shad's home after working. You were supposed to be off at 11 and you got off at like 2 in the morning. And he came home this morning, or he got up this morning and went and started my car. My car started, thankfully. So that's good, but I'm guessing the battery's on its way out. So I'm gonna take his car just in case, and he might take my car and I could come pick him up tonight at work since I don't work tomorrow, or he just might take a Lyft to work. Well, either way, I have to pick you up. You guys, it's been another day of me literally laying on the couch, but I had a headache again. I just think like it's taken me a couple of days to recover from working. This last week I worked more than usual and 5 days straight of waking up super early. But I get enough sleep like during the day. I don't know, but wow, kind of a hot mess right now. But Shad is done at work and he did take a Lyft because apparently my car wouldn't start again when he went to go leave for work. So I'm pretty sure it's the battery. Fingers crossed that's the case. So we're gonna go pick him up, which I don't mind. Take me down to Allegiant, take me to the stadium, take me to the strip, whatever. We might even drive down the strip, we'll see. Sure enough, I just turned on the Bronco game. The Broncos are playing the Packers and right now they're winning, so. Sorry, Phillips Fan Bam. That's their team, Danny and Tina. They're Packers fans. I'm Bronco fan. Okay, get your shoes on. Carson, get your Crockies. Oh, you got Ray Ray. Okay. You guys want to go get Daddy?
Yeah.
All right, we see the stadium. Shad's texting me. He's like, are you here? And I'm like, I don't know, dude. Like, we're almost there. I'm following he sent me a pin, so tell him we're right across the street from, oh, I think I see him down there. He's standing on the side of the road. I think I see him.
Here.
Look at that awesome view, though. There he is. I see Daddy. I think I can just pull in here.
He just walked.
He looks like a worker. Oh. He's like waving like Forrest Gump. Hey, sexy, you need a ride?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Yeah, I
Hi,
was
Daddy.
thinking I need to
Hi, Daddy.
show you a thing or two.
Okay, it's silver and black. Do you want to drive or me?
No, I'm driving.
Okay.
You get out.
Yay.
Okay. Sean just said, I feel bad you have to come all the way out here. I'm like, dude, I feel like I'm on vacation, man.
One of these days I want to see if I can take you guys in.
I know, the kids and I were just like, too bad there's not like a friends and family
Right?
like badge.
Oh,
In and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Out.
I think we're going to In-N-Out.
In.
Shad made a wrong turn. I'm like, that's okay, keep going, keep going. I want to drive past this.
You want to go down to the boulevard and then turn
Yeah,
around?
yeah.
Alright.
We're on the strip, but we're not going to stay on here very long. We're going to turn on here, up here on Tropicana, go down to that, In-N-Out on Dean Martin. Keaton, is there a problem? What? What's the problem? Las Vegas smells. We're here. In-N-Out!